All right, future voters of Sean Gannon, the future president of the United States of America. It's been a while since I've been on here, but I'm up in my brewing game and I got this Anvil Brew Bucket finally for my birthday. And I haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to open up so you can see what's fully inside there, and then I can give you some updates in the future about how this has been working for me. So I'm going to open it up, see what's on the inside here. It was weird, like the whole ordering process online too. I got like a message from Anvil. I ordered from them, and it was like, we'll contact you regarding shipping price. And I was like, all right, well, I don't know what the shipping was. It didn't say anything. And then I got an email saying it's shipped. So I didn't pay, I guess it was free shipping on the website. They don't really advertise that, but that's how it turned out for me. All right. You got a little box here. Ooh, little foam top. Coming up, keep it steady. Ready. We got another little cardboard thing on top of that. Don't need that. Over here. Oh. So it all comes kind of together. Fairly light. I know when I read online, they said it was a thinner stainless steel, which actually turned out, it was actually a good selling point for me, just because it makes it easier to move around for what I'm doing, I plan on using this inside of my freezer that I turned into a temperature control unit. Is there anything else in here? No, just another foam thing. All right. Don't need the box right here anymore. The simplicity of this is also what sold me on it. I'm not by any means an expert brewer, but I'm working on it like everyone else. So, think of this. This looks like the inside valve or outside valve. Inside little receiver. If I can, there we go, get it open. Out. But yeah, it seems very simple. There's a little gasket in here, a little silicone gasket. I like that silicone. And then I think I'll assemble together. Let's take this one out here. This is the outside. Again, pretty simple. I'll probably either buy some silicone tubing or use my vinyl food grade tubing for this to see if I have one that fits. I don't think I do. It has a little barb there. I'm sure I can find one, online to transfer it after into my kegerator, but it seems like a pretty simple system. Just if I can move it, yeah. Oh, water came out of here. That was interesting. But anyway, seems like a very simple thing to take apart, put together, seal. I like it. All right, up in the game. I paid $139 for this on the Anvil website. I'll put a link in the description below. And I'll put a link in the description to Amazon if you like my videos and you click that link. It's a little affiliate link, so it kind of helped me out. Ooh, that snapped nice. Nice snap. Seems pretty solid. And some of the reviews I read online said the older model's lid was a little sharp, but they kind of fixed that moving forward. There's the lid. Has a little silicone seal right here. Want to see the inside? Yeah, not that sharp. We're good. My finger, you can see is just going around. Pretty fine. A solid steel. So the inside here, you get a little thermal temperature gauge on the side. Mine has a little dent on it. Interesting. Got a little dent on this. Uh-oh, Anvil. All right. And then I don't know if I can affect anything, but I guess no worries too much on that. And they give you a little stopper airlock here. Let's see. I want to break it. So it's this like S-style airlock that you've probably seen. I have the other one I use mostly. I've never actually used the S-style, but I'm assuming they all work the same. I'm sure it really doesn't matter, but I'll leave the package right now. But that's the airlock there, the little S-style one, or the air controller. And then you have this little number 7 stopper, fits in the top. Right in here, seals up. I saw some online that have a temperature controller thermal well. Can go in there, that would be nice. You can see the inside of this is, hopefully you can see it's conical. Kind of conical, just slightly angled down. But the whole point is this tube. Let me see if I can hook it up. Well, I'll read the instructions before I mess it up or anything like that. I don't want to scratch anything. But anyway, it goes on the inside, and this can rotate with a racking arm. And so you can avoid your yeast, trube, whatever you want to call it on the bottom. This thing is plastic on the bottom here. You can feel it. It's not rubber. At first I thought it might be rubber. There's a little gasket thing here, but it is plastic on the bottom, just so you know. Other than that, I can tell like it's going to snap pretty well, I think. Put this down, and it seems like it's going to have a good feel to it. I know some of the reviews I said online, people say you can tell that Anvil products, you can tell the engineers really spent some time on it. So I think for hopefully the best for your money, hopefully it's pretty good. I think it's been pretty good. That's why I went with it. Oh, on the inside, what I also like, which I need to have in my brewing setup, is the measurements on the inside. Tell you, if you can see it, you probably can't, but they tell you up starting at 4 gallons, or just below 4 gallons, up to 6.5 gallons, what the measurements are. So that's a good way to easily feel it, see what the lines are. Yeah, I'm excited for this. I think it's going to be good, and let you know how the first brew goes with it. So this is your future president here, signing off.